Hi, I'm Sarah, and welcome to the 90-Day app. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this transformation journey. This app helps you build lasting habits over 90 days with community support and personalized coaching. The crown icon in the header shows your subscription status. Tap it anytime to manage your plan. Let me walk you through each section. Your dashboard is mission control. You'll see your current day, track daily progress, and get personalized workout recommendations. The day counter keeps you motivated by showing exactly where you are in your 90-day transformation. Look at the sidebar on the left. That's how you'll navigate between all the different sections of the app. We offer over 25 different activity types to match your preferences, from gentle options like Tai Chi, yoga, and walking, to more intense choices like Jiet and strength training. You can also enjoy swimming, cycling, dance fitness, and even gardening counts. During onboarding, you'll select the activities you enjoy, and we'll build your personalized 90-day plan around those choices. Check out the sample calendar to see how a complete journey looks. In the workout library, you'll find exercises tailored to your fitness level. The 90-Day app actually adjusts difficulty based on where you are in your overall fitness journey, so whether this is your first cycle or your fifth, the workouts meet you where you are. Schedule sessions, get pre-workout meal reminders, and track every accomplishment. Nutrition is half the battle. Here, you can generate personalized diet plans, log meals, and get recommendations synced with your workout schedule. We integrate your exercise and eating to maximize results. Remember, sustainable change comes from consistent habits, not extreme diets. Science shows it takes about 67 days to form a new habit, and you've got 90. This tracker helps you build and maintain healthy behaviors. Check off daily habits, watch your streaks grow, and earn badges for consistency. The habit section is truly the heart of lasting transformation. Track what matters most. Log your weight, blood pressure, and other vital metrics. Medical research shows that strength and cardiovascular fitness are among the strongest predictors of longevity. Your metrics help you see the real progress beyond the mirror. You're not alone in this. Join a team of 5 to 8 people to complete the 90-day challenge together. Share progress, cheer each other on, and tackle team challenges. Studies show that community support dramatically increases success rates. Find your accountability partners here. Want personalized guidance? The My Coach section connects you with certified fitness professionals. Browse our trainer directory to find coaches who specialize in your goals, whether that's weight loss, strength training, yoga, or senior fitness. You can request coaching from any trainer, and once matched, you'll have direct messaging to stay in touch throughout your journey. And if you're a fitness professional yourself, click on Trainers in the sidebar to register and help others achieve their transformation goals. Want to see what a complete journey looks like? Visit our sample calendar at /sample calendar. It shows a progressive 90-day plan that starts slow and steady in Phase 1, builds momentum in Phase 2, and pushes you to mastery in Phase 3. Each day includes workouts, nutrition tips, optional health check-ins, and daily motivation to keep you going. Ready to start? Head to your profile to set up health metrics and upload your Day 1 photo. Pick your start date and choose your path. Follow along with the community or create a custom program. And here's the exciting part. After completing 90 days, you can start another cycle with new goals while the app adjusts to your improved fitness level. Your transformation journey starts now.